Precipitation, temperature, obviously very curious as we look to the Iron Bowl this weekend, Mark.
Basically, Saturday is the Iron Bowl. I mean, it's just across the board on our station, and it's going to be very exciting, and a lot of folks are wanting to be there or be a part of the atmosphere. And they will need jackets, I will say that, but just not necessarily as cold as it will be over the next couple of days. Here's how our morning starts out. This is cold, low 30s east of I-65, even a few low 30s from Hamilton back into Fayette. Carrollton now at 33, 37 in Tuscaloosa, Birmingham at 36 degrees. Now the radar scanning across central Alabama, our 42 Titan 3D radar scanning live shows a few light sprinkles. Sprinkles, that's a new word. That's actually a relative of sprinkles, but you'll see that there's just not much out there. The bulk of the heavier rain, though, is out to the west of us. We're looking at a lot of water that is headed across the lower Mississippi Valley over the next few hours, and guess where that's headed? Right at us. We will start to see the bulk of the heavier rain as we get into later today, more so into the overnight hours tonight. And with temperatures as chilly as they are, it's going to be one of those scenarios. We watch it carefully because we could have some sleet mixed in overnight tonight. We're just not going to be cold enough that we'll have any icing, which is great news. At 5 o'clock, though, today, notice that we've got showers moving into West Alabama, and then all of us are in on the act by 8 o'clock. This is that steady rain. It will be just a nasty, raw, rainy night, and that is where we're looking at the sleet mixing in. While this looks as if it will be thunderstorms, that's not the case. Our forecast model data is picking up on the fact there will be sleet, so it shows a higher reflectivity back. So later tonight into early tomorrow, we will have sleet passing through, and it will certainly get the excitement level up, I can assure you, but there is not going to be any problems. Temperatures only down into the low 40s for lows tonight. Now Tuesday by noon, we still have a couple of light showers, and then round 2 comes in. This will be the Arctic air that's going to blast through here. Notice this, we get into Tuesday at 5:45. It's going to be dry along I-65, but then the rain passes through, and right after that, we will see a change over to some light snow. There will not be accumulations this go-around. Maybe a little gathering here and there, but overall, I just don't think we're going to be cold enough, especially with ground temperatures the way they are, that we will see any accumulation. If we do get it, it would be so light and not last very long. It's just going to be a scenario we certainly have to watch very carefully. As all of us know, living here in Alabama all of our lives, it's always that borderline. It's a tough call, and as we get closer, we'll certainly have a better perspective. But then the clouds as well as rain and snow move out. Wednesday looking pretty good. Thursday, it's going to start out very cold, so travel-wise, temperatures in the upper teens, low 20s early as you head to Grandma's or Grandmama's, whichever, and you'll see that the Iron Bowl forecast looks good. A high of around 58 to 60 degrees. Overnight lows down into the upper 20s and low 30s, and there's nothing more than I would love to enjoy more than seeing somebody. Maybe folks can send in different names they call their grandmother, because there are like 800 different ways to say it.